Hi friends, this is Janaki. I'm happy to be on thankyouchef.com. In this video, I'm going to make green apple jalapeno pickle, and this goes very well with bagels, dosa, idli with hot rice and ghee. Jalapenos, green apple and olive oils are healthy food items which are essential to use in daily food to keep healthy life. For more nutrient information, please watch upcoming NutriFacts videos at Thank You Chef channel. Now, let's see the ingredients. 1 green apple, 5 jalapenos, 160 ml light olive oil, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1/4 tablespoon raw dhania seeds, small bowl of onion pieces, 2 tablespoon of light olive oil for frying onion, 3 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon jeera, half cup lemon, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 1/4 tablespoon of hing. Now let's see each item in the video. Green apple, jalapenos, if not available use green chilies, salt, half cup lemon juice, seasoning items, light olive oil, red chilies, curry leaves, hing, raw dhania seeds, jeera. Now let's start the process. Cut green apple into pieces and take them into a bowl. Now cut jalapenos into circles and take them into a bowl. Cut onion into medium sized pieces. Now heat 30 ml of light olive oil. Then add green apple pieces. Mix well and fry them on a medium flame without lid. Fry them until light brown color appears. Then take them into a bowl. Now heat 20 ml of light olive oil and fry jalapenos on a medium flame with lid. While frying jalapenos, make sure that lid is closed. Otherwise, the flavor of the jalapenos will enter into the nose and we feel discomfort. Fry jalapenos until light color change. When we fry jalapenos, that gives like yummy flavor. So when we mix with an apple, the flavors and tastes of apple and jalapenos gives very good taste. I'm sure you will love this flavor. As we are frying these, the pickle stays for a long time. And also to note, some jalapenos will have more chili and some have less chili. So please check it and use as per you like. After frying jalapenos, take them into same bowl. Then heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and fry onion pieces until light color change. You know one thing, that is, onions gives a light sweet flavor to the pickle which brings down the chilliness of the jalapenos and also adds up some yummy onion flavor to the pickle. At last add 1 tablespoon of jeera and fry for a minute. Then take them into same bowl. After it becomes light cool, then grind all items without adding water with 2 tablespoons of salt. After grinding, take that jalapeno paste into a bowl. Now heat 80 ml of light olive oil. Then add red chilies, jeera, dhania seeds, hing and curry leaves. Fry them until it splutters. Then switch off the flame. Then add half bowl of lemon juice. Mix well. And add immediately this hot seasoning mixture to green apple jalapeno paste. Mix well. Finally add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well. Then add 30 ml of light or extra virgin olive oil for long time storage. That's all. So simple. Tasty green apple jalapeno paste pickle is ready. Store the pickle into any sealed container. This pickle goes very well as a sandwich and bagel spreads, and also can use on pastas, and goes as best combination with rice and ghee. Please try this pickle and be healthy. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch for more videos, visit thankyouchef.com. Bye.